Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to be doing some fried chicken. Really easy chicken breast that you can, serve that with some fries and stuff like that. So it's all about the chicken. What I've done now is I've just chucked it in a burger at the end with a few bits and pieces, just an example. I'm just going to take a look at the very simple amounts of ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started then. So what I've got here is one chicken breast and I've cut it down the middle, so you've got two, nice thin pieces now. That's what you've got to do. Very easy. Let's move on. Okay, next up, and very easy, I've got some flour here. I've got like three or four tablespoons there. Going to drop in some seasoning to it. So salt and pepper, a teaspoon each. And then what I'm using today, which I really like in here, is smoked paprika. If you can get smoked paprika, fantastic. Celery salt and garlic powder. You can really play around with the amounts. I've got like kind of 2 teaspoons of each of those. And of course, if you wanted, get some chili powder in here, some turmeric, some cumin powder, some clove powder. Get some sort of mixture in there that you really like. These are the guys that I like in there. And we've got really simple, super seasoned flour. All we need next now is a couple of eggs beaten, and we're ready to go. This is so simple, but delicious. Okay, so our flour and a couple of eggs. Now, by the way, we've probably got too much of both of these, but we're going to discard it afterwards. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our thinly sliced pieces of chicken and we're going to go into the flour, into the egg, into the flour, and then off to the cooker. Let me do that. Nice dusting there of our seasoned flour into the egg. Out she comes and then goes back into the flour for a second dip. And then we're going to go off to the cooker to get this cooked off. So simple. Really, really beautiful. Okay, so could not be simpler. There you go, there's our lovely chicken. Now if you wanted, you could double dip that again. You could have gone again for a double sort of crispiness. What we're going to do now is I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, which we're heating up, but we're not going to get it too hot. So in they go. So the flame's on, but on really low. And in they go. So we want to cook these on a nice low heat. You can see it's bubbling around and frying, but if you do it too fast, 1, it's going to blacken on the outside, and 2, it's going to be raw on the inside, which is not what we want. I'm going to flip that a couple of times. It's going to be about 4 to 6 minutes in between that, roughly. I mean, these are quite thin. So keep it nice and low, turn it a few times. Okay, and there you go, look at those, really beautiful. The secret here is low and slow, so they keep their nice colour outside and they're beautifully juicy inside. Let me get them on a chopping board for you. Okay, here we go. Beautifully crispy on the outside. Should we cut them open and take a look what we've got inside? Fabulous. Beautifully cooked all the way through. Really nice and juicy that'll be still, for sure. Now if you want, you can have these just like that, or you can stick them in a burger or something like that, which I think I'm going to do now. Look at that, juicy as can be. Simple burger bun, got some mayonnaise on there. Let's grab a couple of our strips. Let's go a little bit of ketchup. Gonna go with some cheese on that. I'm using a Gouda. You could use a cheddar or something. Tomato. I like a little bit of raw onion on there. Could use fried onions if you wanted. A little bit of lettuce. You could use an iceberg lettuce or something else, some rocket maybe. And then we're going to top that off with the bun again with more mayonnaise. On it goes. Beautiful. Okay, and there you go. So all about the chicken really, this lesson today, and we have just thrown it in the end on a little bun there, which is delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.